What up? This is gonna be the intro to this crazy road trip that I'm doing right now. Currently at 844 Imports, checking out this Atlas. Last time I showed this, everyone was in love. How you guys feel about it now? Got some nice rims, murdered out the tint. Got this good old Jimny, new wheels on there, courtesy to my trip in Japan. This thing is cool. It's a Jimny wide, not a normal one. This one is, I think 1.3 liter or 1.1. Pretty cool. And then you saw the last video. You saw the video of me driving this, and we're not going to talk about too much, because if you haven't already, click the corner and watch that video. But I love this thing. I really love it. I got some big plans, maybe coming soon. But what we're going to do after this is drive to Toshi, check out what he has for sale, maybe buy some stuff over there. Check out this Daihatsu Atrai K-Van.
The blue one. Oh, the blue one? Yeah, it's cool as shit.
Surfboard on the top. California mirrors.
So listen, I've had a lot of nice cars. I got a 56 Ford pickup. I got a 67 convertible Cadillac. I got a 66 Chevelle drag car. A 71 MGB with a V6 in it. This gets more attention than any vehicle I've ever
What made you want to buy a K-Van?
It was easy to get around in. For
Yeah,
City,
yeah.
because it's hard parking down there, and I could put that in spots that I wouldn't put anything else in.
Yeah. No, yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, I looked
A Try mud flaps. He said he wrapped it himself.
It's a wrap on top of a wrap, then, right?
Honda gang. He even added Ford transport seats in the back.
Oh, it's automatic windows too. Hold on, let me see.
Gotta love the attention to detail. Gold drums and calipers. Just got to Toshi Imports. Here's the bike we came to buy. This nice little XR. That's a vertical 50cc. And that, my friends, is as much as I know about it. But this guy here is the car that we're going to be driving. I've definitely hated on these in the past, and I don't think they're bad cars. I think they're actually pretty sick. I just think the price that a lot of people charge for them, like Dunkin' Imports and places like that, look at the attention to detail. It's pretty ridiculous. But if you could get one for, 10, 15, especially on some TEs, that's a steal. They didn't make a lot of them. I think they only came in like 4 colors. But yeah, I'm about to drive this, which makes me very excited. Thing is mint. I almost want to put like plastic on the seats. Look at the cluster. Wow, this is actually really nice. First time even sitting in one of these. Face, foot, deaf, cold, hot, or circulate. Look at all the lights right there. Let's see how that looks. What's that sound? Oh, okay, cool. This is his personal car, so it's not for sale. He said the only way he'll sell it for $25, and to be honest, this thing is mint. I feel like I need white gloves to drive this right now. Got the Taylor Swift cassette. Shout out all my Swifties. This is definitely one of those cars that if I bought one, I couldn't do anything to it. Like, I couldn't swap out the radio. I guess I could add some rims, but I definitely can't put underglow. Can't do anything to the interior. This needs to stay as OEM and as stock as possible. Look at even the blue ribboning there. Alright, so let's get this on the street. Let's see what it's like. Let me swap out the camera. I love the white wheels with the white top. Love all the attention to detail. Sounds good, nice and quiet. It's crazy. I've seen these so many times at Dunkin' Imports, and I've constantly bashed them. I'm telling you, go watch those videos. And I've always like, yo, who would want one of these? This thing is weird, but I am now officially one of those weird people who want one of these. First time driving a Nissan Figaro. Let's see what this is like. Let's get cozy because we don't really need to go fast in this. It's more just flexing on everybody out on the streets. I'm loving the white dash. I don't think I've ever owned a car with a white dash. Just looking at it, looks so pretty. We are still gonna hit gas though and see what it feels like. Let's see. Oh crap. Oh, this is way faster than my cappuccino. I know it's not a K car. Brakes feel good too. Wow, that feels good. You can hear the turbo spool. Put these windows up so you can hear me. Yeah, this thing is sick. I didn't even realize this little like pendant when it comes to the steering wheel. I think the cool thing about this car is that unlike K cars, people aren't looking at you because you're small, if that makes sense. They're looking at you because the uniqueness of the shape and the body lines and everything. And the fact that this one is turbo is pretty sick. I'm sure people aren't putting like blow valves and stuff, but if I ever got one, I guess I would put at least a blow valve. But yeah, no, this thing is cool. Shout out to Toshi Imports for letting me even drive this. Let's bring it back, see what else I pick up over here. I think I'm gonna pick up these silver rims. And I think one of his JDM cones. I picked up one last time I was here when I got those 3 spokes. Picture me rolling, bro. Picture me picking up a girl and going on a date in this car. I think K's are a big flex, but there's no way that you pick up literally any girl or any guy, any significant other, and they're not gonna fall in love with this. Here's the bike that we're picking up from Toshi. Also picking up these rims from 844 Imports. I think that me or David's gonna buy this as well. You can stick it on top of the Daihatsu mirror. And then I'm also picking up these chrome rims. You guys know I am a K-car hoarder, so whenever I see a good deal on rims, I gotta pick them up. And I think I'm also gonna buy another one of these cones with the weight. And should I buy this one? It's like an LED cone, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure if I need it. I definitely want these cones though. That way I can park them next to my Daihatsu mirror, walk through, and like, you know, when I'm selling hot dogs. It doesn't say caution or anything, but I can probably print something where it says like maybe WayBeforeTheFame. Like take this off and just put WayBeforeTheFame on there. I think it'd be pretty cool with the Japanese on one side. And then we were also looking at this bike, if anyone is interested. It's a 1971, I think, Honda Shali, but it's extremely modified, as you can see. Comes with a lot of parts. Comes with new tires.
I mean, I'm blessed for it, you know, it's good enough. I can fit 2 Ks in here, but I'm not doing any more Ks.
Pretty sick. How do you feel about your purchases?
A lot of money. A lot of money later.
I wish I had the space and money to buy everything.
Everybody's got to eat. Everybody's got to eat.
We got some Honda Acti front lips. So it's the next morning. Let me show you guys everything I picked up from Toshi. I got this rear mud flap that goes on the Honda Street vans. I remember when I had my green van, this is something I was dying to buy, but they go for like $250 shipped in Japan. I didn't really pay that much. So if you're local, let me know. You can have this for like, I don't know, like $170 around there. And then I got 6 Honda Acti front lips. I don't really know how this works. I don't see a lot of mounting points besides just this. So I think what I'm actually going to do is drive to the guy I bought my van from. I know he has an Acti outside. I'm going to see if I can just mock it up. But I got 6 of these if anybody wants them. Again, local, just because they're huge. I don't know what shipping would be like for this. I feel like it's not even worth it. Then I got these rims, 14x5, 4x100. Again, technically going to Acti, but we're going to keep this for God knows what. Then we got some fog lights, just because. Then I got an entire box that's pending of Honda Acti, Honda Street OEM parts, caliper bushings, distributor caps, oil filters, a bunch of stuff. This probably is sold, but if not, I'll open it and I'll show you guys, and then we can sell it one by one. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I picked up. We got some cones like I mentioned. They even come with the weights, which is pretty cool. So I have 2 weights and then 2 cones. Like I said, I forgot what this says. I'll put it on the screen right now. But my idea is to probably keep that. And then on this side, go to the same guys who do like wraps and put it, maybe say WBTF or wait for the fame or something creative on this side. I know I technically could have bought a normal cone and did this, and I realized that after the fact, but this one being JDM kind of adds some cool points. And then this one just looks like a normal cone, but if you add some D batteries in here, I believe this should be able to light up LEDs, so I'm looking forward to doing that. But I'm gonna end this video here. I got some decisions to make. This is a couple days after me driving that Suzuki Wagon R wide, and I really want it. I bought a car in Japan, so I probably can't do all that, but let's see what happens with the Alto. I think most likely I'm gonna start a waffle maybe in this video or the next, and then Cappuccino, like I said, is kind of for sale as well. I really want it until July, but let's see what happens. And then my Miro will be here in May, so let's see if I can sell all this stuff, make some money, and who knows, maybe I enter May with the Suzuki Wagon R wide and the Daihatsu Miro walkthrough. No more Cappuccino, no more Alto. But alright, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Actually, before we end this video, the Suzuki Alto waffle has officially started. I'm gonna make a full video dedicated to it tomorrow, but I just want to give everyone a sneak peek. If you're on my Patreon, you already know what's happening over there. But also officially live on WayBeforeTheFame.com. Let's see where this one goes. Maybe out to the West Coast again. Maybe in the tri-state. I'm going to drive to the dude to see if this acne lip fits in the next video. But yeah, here it is. Full video coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.